Unleash the power of prefixes in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of prefixes. These simple yet powerful tools can dramatically extend your vocabulary, help you understand new words, and even let you create your own. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. First things first, let's answer the question, what is a prefix? Well, a prefix is a group of letters we add at the beginning of a word to change its meaning. For instance, the prefix un changes happy to unhappy, meaning not happy. By understanding prefixes, you can decipher the meaning of many words in English. Now, let's look at some common prefixes in English. 1. Un. This prefix means not or the opposite of. For example, unseen means not seen. 2. Re. This one signifies again or back, as in, redo, means to do again. 3. Pre. Indicates before. An example is preview, meaning to view before. 4. Mis. Implies wrong or badly, as in, misplace, which means to place wrongly. There are many more, but understanding these common prefixes will already help you a lot. Another great thing about understanding prefixes is that they can help you guess the meaning of new words. If you see a word with the prefix dis, for instance, you know the word probably has a negative meaning. Because dis means not or the opposite of, just like dislike, meaning to not like. The fun doesn't stop there. By adding prefixes to base words, you can also expand your vocabulary and even invent new words. Take the word approve. Add the prefix dis, and you get disapprove. Just like that, you've learned a new word. There you have it. Prefixes are a powerful tool for boosting your English vocabulary. They not only help you understand and guess the meaning of new words but also enable you to create new ones. Keep practicing with different prefixes and words, and you'll see your English language skills soar. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, every new word is an opportunity to express yourself more accurately and creatively. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.